Clients suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, as well as your garden variety joint pain, often come to me for help. Rheumatoid arthritis is caused by an overactive immune system. If you struggle with knee pain on a daily basis, add these herbs to your diet because they have anti-inflammatory effects which can relieve pain and inflammation. Inflammation is a body's way or mechanism to fight infection or injury. But sometimes, this mechanism goes out of track and begins to harm your body's cells, increasing your risk of developing autoimmune disorders like arthritis. This is where an anti-inflammatory diet plays an important role. And what can be better than anti-inflammatory herbs? How anti-inflammatory herbs can be beneficial for knee pain. The inflammation or pain of joints and knees can be reduced by consuming anti-inflammatory herbs, and they even prevent the risk of arthritis. Here's a list of herbs that have excellent anti-inflammatory properties. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a herb that contains curcumin, which not only adds a golden glow to your food but also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce knee pain and inflammation. Since it possesses antiseptic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-allergic effects, it has been widely used for ages. Additionally, turmeric has health benefits for the skin, the liver, and the digestive system. Make it a part of your daily diet. 2. Ginger. A hot cup of ginger tea is often an answer to stressful days. Ginger indeed has anti-inflammatory characteristics, which is why it can effectively relieve minor aches and pains and refresh you. Due to its numerous health advantages and therapeutic abilities, this herb has traditionally been used in medicinal sciences like Ayurveda and homeopathy. All thanks to its fantastic antioxidant and anti-inflammatory capabilities, which are great for your general health. 3. Eucalyptus. If your knee pain is due to inflammation, you can definitely try eucalyptus oil. You can apply it directly to your skin and massage it. It functions by providing a cold or warm sensation that takes your attention away from the discomfort. It is widely used for aromatherapy and contains tannins. Local applications, or soaking affected areas in warm water with drops of eucalyptus oil gives a relaxing effect and relief in mild pain/inflammation. Even many people who suffer from rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis use over-the-counter creams, sprays, or ointments to relieve pain. 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is an integral part of Indian dishes and it's also used in Ayurveda to treat heart conditions and high blood pressure. Cinnamon, also known as dalchini, has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and antibacterial qualities that are all beneficial to the health of your knees. You can add it to yogurt, cottage cheese, or other foods, or use it in tea or food preparation. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory properties. Therefore, it can be applied directly to sore and swollen joints. It is not just useful for treating knees, it can also be used to treat diabetes and asthma. Aloe vera is abundant in the vitamins A, C, E, and B12, as well as a powerful mineral punch, according to the Indian Journal of Dermatology. So, use it regularly.